Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. How are you all? I'm so sorry. I know it's been almost a year I didn't posted any videos. I was so busy. Now onwards I'll be keep on posting regularly. That's for sure. Today's recipe is masala oats. I'm already that video is there. So I'm going to try a new recipe with masala oats. That is, I'm going to add soup at the last. We can call this as soupy oats. I don't know exactly what is the name, but still I've cut down some carrots and 2 green chilies. I'm taking it. You can add green peas and potatoes and tomatoes, anything you want. Okay, your favorite veggies. Just let the water get boiled properly. Hot water is ready now. I'm using hot and sour soup of Ching's hot and sour soup. Okay, I've taken this to a bowl. Now add little bit of water to it. Now mix this really well. Make sure no lumps. Okay. Now keep this aside. Now add the carrots and the green chili to the kettle. Now add a half teaspoon of salt to it. Mix this once. Just stir it. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Okay? 2 to 3 minutes. Allow it to cook. It's been 2 minutes. Now add the oats to it. Now add little bit of pinch of turmeric powder. Mix this nicely. Now allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. If it is required, then add little bit more water, because we are going to prepare it as soupy oats, so water should be little bit more. Okay, after 3 minutes the oats is ready. Now just add the soup to it. Okay, mix this nicely. Allow it to cook for 1 or 2 minutes more. Okay, soupy oats is ready, guys. Now take this to a bowl. Okay, this is really very tasty. If you don't like normal oats, then you can add soup at the last. This is healthy and tasty. Okay, if you like the recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.